What's up everyone, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In this video guys, it's going to be me showing you how I created this eye look over here using two eyeshadows only, and I have used one from this palette over here, which is of course Daisy's palette with BH Cosmetics, and the other one is from Essence, which is this gorgeous color over here. So if you guys are interested in seeing on how I created this look using only two colors, then of course keep on watching. So the first eyeshadow palette that I'm going to reach to is this one here from BH Cosmetics. This one is Daisy's palette, and I haven't used this in a long time, so I decided why not use it today. So this is how this one looks like, and I just like you know, the packaging looks cute. So in case you haven't seen it, that's how the inside looks like. And it does have this, you know, mirror that is of course removable, and you can place it in here like that. So something like that. Quite cute idea, isn't it? So yeah, we are looking for this palette today, and the shadow that I want to begin with is this one right here called Vintage, which is this color right here. So I'm going to go in with this as my transition shade to begin with. So just taking a little bit of that, and I have already put Revolution Beauty cut crease on my, of course, my eyelid as a base. So let's go ahead and just apply this color around here. And how are you guys doing? How is your day? What are you up to? Alright, so the eyes looks like that so far, and I'm going to use the same color to actually just drag it on my lower line as well, just around here, so that we, you know, we add something, tapping off the excess of course. Let's go ahead now. The next eyeshadow I'm going to reach for is this one here from Essence. This one I actually haven't used it. It is new. It's called 08 Grinch, which is this green eyeshadow, which looks like this, of course. That's just the packaging from the outside. Let me quickly open it. Wow, it looks beautiful. Okay, you can see over here. That's how it looks like that. Okay, let's give it a swatch. Ooh, wow. Okay, let's swatch it over here. Oh, this looks pretty. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, so this one is going to go right on the lid, just like that, and then focusing more right in this area here, and then whatever is left over on my hand, I'm going to just drag it a little bit above here, but you know, in kind of, you know, tapping it around so that this area here it's not too much, but we still get that greenish going there like that. That's beautiful. And this is how the eyes looks like, you guys, with only two eyeshadows applied. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the combo. And you guys, this green eyeshadow from Essence, it's absolutely gorgeous on the eye. This is just stunning. Look at that. First time using it, and I love what I'm seeing here. So pretty. All right, what I'm going to do now is just apply some mascara, and I'm going to use this one here from Maybelline called Total Temptation, which is this one here. So yeah, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. By the way, this mascara, you guys, it's really gorgeous. I just love the way it gives you know, my lashes volume, and at the same time, you know, length. So it's pretty. And here we have the complete eyes, you guys. Now I decided not to add lashes. I just went with mascara, and it is more than enough because my lashes looks full of volume. They look, you know, happy, so we'll leave them like that without, of course, lashes. And yeah, let's go on and just add something to the lips, and I'm going to use this one here from Essence called Plumping Nudes in the shade, what shade is this? 07 So Heavy. It is one of their, of course, nudes lip glosses, which looks like this. So yeah, I'm going to apply this one on the lips. Let me quickly swatch it in case you never seen this color. It's a very gorgeous, more like, you know, a movie color like that. It looks so pretty. I really like this. So that's the one that goes on the lips. Beautiful. And this one, they do come in different, you know, shades. If you guys want to see you know, the collection for this, let me know, because I do have quite a few of them that I bought some time ago, and I don't think I have done a review on them. I don't think so. So let me know if you want to see that video. I can definitely, you know, do a swatch video for all their plumping nudes lip glosses. But yeah, and this color is gorgeous, so pretty. All right, you guys, so this concludes today's video. As you can see, the eyes looks like that, and the lips, of course. And that is only using 2 eyeshadows for the eyes. Now, I always say you can make an eye look work using 1 shade. It doesn't have to be like, you know, like thousands of eyeshadows. You can just make it work using 1. So this is just 2, and they look gorgeous. I love the color combo there, looks beautiful. So yeah, and that is today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. If you want to see me do, you know, a full swatch on this collection here, which is of course the plumping nudes from Essence, let me know down below. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, join the family if you haven't done so already. And yeah, lots of love. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you all guys on my next one. Bye for now.